Welcome sa ating Grade 8 Music and Arts lesson tungkol sa creative work presentation and multidisciplinary assessment. Sa session na ito, hindi lang tayo magme-memorize ng terms. Susundan natin kung paano ginagamit ang concept sa isang malinaw na process, activity, at real-life application. Ang target natin ay maunawaan ang competency at makagawa ng evidence-based decisions habang nagpa-practice. Habang nakikinig, i-connect ninyo ang example sa sarili ninyong experience bilang learner. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. Ito ang official learning competency natin. Integrate relevant concepts, techniques, processes, and / practices of emerging and contemporary Asian popular performing and visual arts in the production of the creative work. Sa simple terms, kailangan ninyong ipakita na kaya ninyong gamitin ang lesson sa actual na task. Hindi lang maipaliwanag ang definition. Ibig sabihin, mahalaga ang tamang process, clear evidence, at responsible decision making. Ang lecture, guided activity, independent task, at assessment ay lahat naka-align dito. Kapag may choice kayong gagawin, bumalik sa competency at itanong, nakakatulong ba ang action na ito para maipakita ang required skill at understanding? May tatlong specific targets tayo. Una, explain how performing and visual arts elements are integrated in a creative production. Present a collaborative K-pop-inspired music video work or classroom cosplay showcase through organized production roles. Assess an integrative creative work using multidisciplinary criteria and evidence-based feedback. Mapapansin ninyo na may progression. Understand muna, then apply, then assess or reflect. Hindi sapat ang alam lang ang terms kung hindi ito magagamit sa performance o creative decision. Sa bawat activity, maghanap ng evidence na naaabot ninyo ang target. Halimbawa, mas clear na explanation, mas controlled na execution, o mas defensible na evaluation. Sa dulo, dapat kaya ninyong ipaliwanag hindi lang kung ano ang ginawa ninyo, kundi kung bakit iyon ang appropriate choice. And simulan natin sa isang observation task. Study a music video or cosplay showcase scene. List the performing arts and visual arts contributions that must work together for the presentation to succeed. Huwag munang magmadali sa sagot. Tingnan ang visible details, sequence, at effect ng bawat choice. Pagkatapos, bumuo ng maikling explanation na may evidence, hindi lang personal preference. Kung group activity ito, pakinggan ang ibang interpretation at i-compare kung pareho ba ang basehan ninyo. Ang purpose ng warm-up ay ma-activate ang prior knowledge at makita na ang lesson natin ay tungkol sa informed decisions. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. Ang lesson ay naka-organize sa 5 magkakaugnay na ideya: integrative creative work, production sequence, collaborative roles, presentation quality, multidisciplinary assessment. Isipin ito bilang isang system. May foundational concept, may skill o process, may actual application, at may assessment na nagbibigay ng direction sa improvement. Kapag hiwa-hiwalay ang pagtingin natin, madaling malito. Pero kapag nakita ang relationship ng mga bahagi, mas madali nating maipaliwanag kung bakit kailangan ang bawat step. Habang dumadaan tayo sa slides, gumuhit ng simpleng connection lines sa notes ninyo para makita kung paano umaabot ang unang idea sa final outcome. Dito natin palalalimin ang concepts. Integrative creative work means an integrative work combines more than one artistic discipline so that sound, movement, image, design, performance, and technology support one concept. Production sequence means the source sequence moves through concept development, rehearsals, filming or staging, editing or technical preparation, and release or presentation. Ang importanteng tandaan ay hindi sila separate na vocabulary lamang. Bawat concept ay may effect sa quality, safety, clarity, fairness o purpose ng output. Mag-isip ng isang concrete example mula sa school task o practice ninyo at tukuyin kung alin sa concepts ang visible. Kung hindi ninyo makita ang evidence, kailangan pang linawin ang explanation o application. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. Dito natin palalalimin ang concepts. Collaborative roles means a team distributes roles such as leader, choreographer, performers, costume designer, camera operator, editor, and production support according to strengths and project needs. Presentation quality means a clear presentation shows preparation, stage or screen awareness, coherent concept, audience engagement, and reliable technical execution. Multidisciplinary assessment means assessment considers how artistic and technical parts work together, not only the success of one performer or one visual element. Ang importanteng tandaan ay hindi sila separate na vocabulary lamang. Bawat concept ay may effect sa quality, safety, clarity, fairness o purpose ng output. Mag-isip ng isang concrete example mula sa school task o practice ninyo at tukuyin kung alin sa concepts ang visible. Kung hindi ninyo makita ang evidence, kailangan pang linawin ang explanation o application. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. Gamitin natin ng accurate ang tatlong terms na ito: integration, the purposeful combination of artistic disciplines and production elements; concept development, turning an idea into a clear theme, purpose, and production direction; rehearsal, structured practice used to coordinate performance and correct problems. Kapag ginagamit ang technical word, dapat kaya rin natin itong ipaliwanag sa simple language at ipakita sa example. Subukan ninyong gumawa ng isang sentence para sa bawat term na connected sa topic. Iwasan ang definition na inuulit lang ang mismong word. Mas strong ang understanding kapag malinaw ang meaning, may context, at alam natin kung kailan appropriate gamitin ang term. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. Gamitin natin ng accurate ang tatlong terms na ito: stage presence, the confidence, energy, and audience engagement shown by performers; craftsmanship, the care, skill, and accuracy used in creating costumes, props, visuals, or media; multidisciplinary, involving knowledge and skills from several art forms or production areas. Kapag ginagamit ang technical word, dapat kaya rin natin itong ipaliwanag sa simple language at ipakita sa example. Subukan ninyong gumawa ng isang sentence para sa bawat term na connected sa topic. Iwasan ang definition na inuulit lang ang mismong word. Mas strong ang understanding kapag malinaw ang meaning, may context, at alam natin kung kailan appropriate gamitin ang term. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. Sundan natin ang process in order. 1. Develop the concept, clarify the message, Asian popular art influence, target audience, and final format. 2. Form the team, assign balanced roles based on interests, strengths, and required functions. 3. Plan and rehearse, prepare movement, sound, costume, visuals, staging, camera work, and transitions. May dahilan kung bakit ganito ang sequence. Ang bawat step ay naghahanda ng evidence o condition para sa next action. Kung mag-skip tayo, pwedeng maging unclear, unsafe, unfair, o mahirap i-evaluate ang result. Habang ini-explain ko ang steps, tukuyin kung alin ang pinakamadalas makalimutan sa actual task. Isulat ang isang practical check na pwedeng gamitin bago lumipat sa next step. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. Sundan natin ang process in order. 4. Produce, film the music video or stage the cosplay event while following the agreed plan. 5. Refine edit media, adjust performance details, and check coherence across artistic elements. 6. Present and assess. Share the work, apply the rubric, provide qualitative feedback, and identify next steps. May dahilan kung bakit ganito ang sequence. Ang bawat step ay naghahanda ng evidence o condition para sa next action. Kung mag-skip tayo, pwedeng maging unclear, unsafe, unfair, o mahirap i-evaluate ang result. Habang ini-explain ko ang steps, tukuyin kung alin ang pinakamadalas makalimutan sa actual task. Isulat ang isang practical check na pwedeng gamitin bago lumipat sa next step. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. Ito ang example na direktang adapted mula sa lesson exemplar at activity source. The lesson exemplar divides learners into a music video production team or a cosplay event team. It assigns production roles and evaluates music videos through choreography, performance presence, vocals, styling, stage use, technical quality, concept, and impact. Cosplay is assessed through craftsmanship, portrayal, creativity, presentation, accuracy, interaction, and overall impression. Pansinin na may clear task, observable evidence, at processing component. Hindi random ang activity. Ginawa ito para maipakita ang competency sa isang authentic context. Habang sinusuri ang example, tukuyin ang input, action, criteria, at expected output. Kapag gumawa kayo ng sariling version, pwedeng i-contextualize ang materials o setting, pero hindi dapat mawala ang learning target at evidence na kailangan para sa assessment. Para sa guided activity, gagawin natin ang production readiness conference. Materials, team concept sheet, role list, rehearsal notes, storyboard or staging plan, and source rubric. State the central concept and identify the performing and visual arts elements included. Check whether every required production role has a clear responsibility. Makinig muna sa complete instructions bago magsimula at tiyaking malinaw ang roles, materials, at safety or quality expectations. Sa first attempt, ang goal ay makakuha ng baseline evidence, hindi agad perfect performance. I-record ang observation ng specific, ano ang nangyari, saan ito nakita, at ano ang effect. Kapag may partner o group, gumamit ng respectful communication at i-focus ang feedback sa task. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. And ipagpatuloy ang guided task sa mga hakbang na ito. Run a short rehearsal or presentation segment and record one artistic and one technical issue. Revise the plan and explain how the change strengthens overall integration. Pagkatapos, gamitin ang processing questions. Which disciplines are already working together effectively? Where does the presentation lose clarity or coordination? Which rubric rubric criterion should guide the next revision. Hindi kailangang mahaba ang sagot pero dapat may concrete evidence mula sa ginawa o naobserbahan. I-compare ang first at second attempt kung mayroon at tukuyin kung anong desisyon ang nagdulot ng pagbabago. Ang processing stage ang nagko-convert ng activity mula sa simpleng paggawa tungo sa tunay na learning at improvement. Ngayon, ililipat ninyo ang learning sa mas independent na application. Complete a concise, multidisciplinary self-check of one presentation segment. Cite evidence for concept, performance, visual design, technical execution, and audience impact, then recommend one revision. Bago gumawa, i-check ang competency at criteria para alam ninyo kung anong evidence ang kailangang lumitaw. Planuhin ang oras, materials, at sequence, then document at least one decision or revision. Kung collaborative ang option, dapat visible ang contribution ng bawat member. Sa submission, huwag output lang ang ipakita. Isama ang maikling explanation kung paano ninyo ginamit ang concepts at kung anong evidence ang nagpapakitang aligned ang work. Hindi natatapos sa classroom ang lesson. Narito ang practical applications. Use integrated production planning for school showcases, music videos, theater, dance, and multimedia projects. Distribute roles fairly in group tasks so creative and technical responsibilities are visible. Use a rubric and qualitative feedback to improve both performance and production quality. Ang transferable part ay ang paraan ng pag-observe, pag-decide, pag-execute, at pag-evaluate. Kahit magbago ang setting o materials, pwede pa rin gamitin ang same principles basta malinaw ang purpose at criteria. Pumili ng isang application na relevant sa inyo at isulat kung anong specific concept ang gagamitin. Mas meaningful ang transfer kapag may actual situation at hindi general statement lang. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. Ayusin natin ang common misconceptions. Kapag sinabing integration means adding many unrelated elements, ang correction ay elements must support a shared concept and strengthen one another. Kapag sinabing the lead performer creates the whole production, ang correction ay a successful presentation depends on coordinated artistic and technical roles. Kapag sinabing assessment should focus only on audience applause, ang correction ay evidence should be collected across stated artistic and production criteria. Kapag sinabing presentation happens only after production is finished, ang correction ay presentation requirements shape concept, rehearsals, filming, editing, and staging from the beginning. Mahalagang i-correct ang mga ito dahil pwedeng magresulta sa weak, unsafe, unfair, o misleading na decisions. Kapag may narinig kayong claim tungkol sa topic, huwag agad tanggapin. I-check ito laban sa competency, source-based process, at observable evidence. Subukan ninyong pumili ng isang misconception at ipaliwanag ang correction gamit ang sariling example. Sa susunod na slide, iuugnay natin ito sa kasunod na bahagi ng lesson. Bago tayo mag-assess, balikan natin ang key takeaways. Integrative creative work connects performing, visual, and technical elements through one concept. Production moves from concept and roles to rehearsal, production, refinement, and presentation. Collaboration requires clear, balanced responsibilities. Presentation quality includes artistic coherence, technical readiness, and audience engagement. Multidisciplinary assessment uses criteria and feedback across the whole production. Ang common thread ay purposeful action supported by criteria and evidence. Kapag malinaw ang concept pero mahina ang application, kulang pa ang competency. Kapag may action pero walang reflection, mahirap malaman kung ano ang dapat ulitin o baguhin. Gamitin ang summary bilang checklist. Kaya mo bang ipaliwanag, i-apply at i-evaluate ang bawat major idea? Kung may isang hindi pa malinaw, balikan ang related example at process slide. Tapos tayo sa isang maikling formative check. Sagutin ang mga ito. Name 2 disciplines that can be integrated in a music video. Explain why role distribution affects production quality. Choose one rubric criterion and describe acceptable evidence. Maglaan muna ng tahimik na thinking time at isulat ang sagot bago mag-share. Sa explanation, gumamit ng term mula sa lesson at isang concrete example o evidence. Hindi ito para manghula ng grade. Ginagamit natin ito para makita kung alin ang understood at alin ang kailangan pang i-review. Pagkatapos mag-check, markahan ang isang concept na confident ka at isang concept na kailangan mo pang i-practice.